Hi guys, here's your Cosmic Force filly. She's done extremely well after the break, and I think it's really helped with the mental state. She's really come on. She's a smart filly, really nice type. Should go under saddle next week, weather permitting. We're fighting it bad here. We've already had 3 inches in the last 3 days, but we'll see how we go and keep it moving on. But I really like her, really intelligent filly this.